dialysis ako.
Hindi po natin ginusto to. Huwag pong isipin na pabigat ka. Gagawa tayo ng paraan.
GMA Public Affairs proudly presents ang bagong tambanang magpapakilig sa prime time.
Dennis, mag-usap tayo. Please.
Ipinakikilala the newest Kapuso Primetime Heartthrob, Michael Sager bilang Francis.
You know how much I love you.
At ang Kapuso teleserye royalty, Jillian Ward, in her most challenging role as Tata.
Kakain ka ba o hindi?
Busog pa ako, Loka!
Eh di wag.
And Venice.
Well, obviously, lumaki ka sa kanto, so you don't know what we could do to people like you.
I want you to